make sure you wear protective eyewear. So that's what we're gonna be doing. And hello everyone, and welcome to yet another video where we work on our cars. Sometimes we're successful, sometimes we're not. And today's video is a very simple video, but it's a very important video as well, which is we're gonna be cleaning our mass airflow sensor, which is located right here. And the other day I picked up the mass airflow sensor cleaner, so that's what we're gonna be doing. So it's very easy and simple to do. So what we have to do is just unclick this connection over here, and then we have just two little screws over here, which we can just take out by hand with a small Phillips screwdriver. Very nice and easy. Just carefully unscrew the screws, and we'll put them on the side without losing them. You can put them over here, it's no big deal. Now the second screw, there we go. I don't believe that this airflow sensor was ever cleaned by previous owners, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So this canister was very cheap, it's no big deal, and it's very important, and it's a very nice maintenance to do. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. But as always, whenever you work under a car or you work with any chemicals, make sure you wear protective eyewear. So that's what we're gonna be doing. You don't want any accidental spray or any chemicals to come in contact with your eye. So just carefully open this up. Let's take this little spray nozzle tube out, whatever that is. Alright, so unfortunately for some reason I cannot stick this inside there. It just won't go. Like the tubing is too fat, too big for this hole, and I just cannot stick it in there, but that's no big deal. So anyways, let's pull out the sensor carefully. Yes, it doesn't look too bad actually if you look at it. I mean, it has a little bit of dust, but that's about it. But what we're gonna be doing is just go to the side, and we're gonna spray all of it everywhere. Gonna spray a lot, let it all drain. Alright, and now we're just gonna let it dry. Gonna leave it for a few minutes. And as you can see, probably, maybe not, as you can see, it dries up pretty quick already. But we're just gonna let it sit and dry for a few minutes, and then we're gonna put it back. And okay, the sensor is all dry, so now we can just put it back carefully. There we go. It only goes one way in, so shouldn't be any problem to messing it up. And then we're just gonna screw the little screws back in place. You can do it by hand first. And these screws are very small, and there is no need to go to a certain torque or anything. Just screw them until it feels tight, and that should be it. That's one. And that's two. Let's tighten them up a little bit more. Just put the connector back in place until it clicks. There we go. And that's it. It's all done. Now we have a clean mass airflow sensor with this little canister. I still have a lot left, even though I spray a lot. So that was a good maintenance to do. It's very easy and simple, and it's very helpful for a truck. It's always nice to be able to work on your car and to be able to do any, even small fixes. It's very satisfying. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, everybody, bye.